Did you know that something as innocent as your morning eggs could be quietly damaging your heart? Yes, new research suggests that what we've believed for decades might be completely wrong. Because here's the confusing part. For years, experts said avoid eggs, they raise cholesterol. Then, suddenly, other studies claimed eggs are perfectly safe. So, what's the truth? Are eggs a heart-healthy superfood or a silent threat sitting on your breakfast plate? If you or someone you love has ever struggled with high cholesterol, clogged arteries, or heart disease, this video might completely change how you see your favorite breakfast food. A few months ago, one of my viewers, let's call her Linda, wrote to me. She said, "Dr. Dave, I eat 2 boiled eggs every morning, but my doctor just told me my cholesterol levels are rising again. Should I stop eating eggs?" That question sent me down a rabbit hole of studies, expert interviews, and even cardiologists who disagree with each other. And what I discovered completely shocked me. For decades, we were told eggs were the enemy of a healthy heart, because one egg yolk contains around 186 milligrams of cholesterol. That's more than half of your daily recommended limit. The logic was simple. If you eat cholesterol, your blood cholesterol goes up. But that's only part of the story. What new research reveals? New studies are showing that for most healthy people, eating eggs doesn't automatically increase their risk of heart disease. Why? Because the cholesterol in food doesn't affect everyone's body the same way. Only about 30% of people, called hyperresponders, see a significant rise in blood cholesterol when they eat eggs. The rest? Their bodies naturally regulate it by producing less cholesterol in the liver. But here's the twist that most people miss. It's not just about cholesterol. It's about oxidized cholesterol, the kind that forms when eggs are fried in high-heat oils or combined with processed meats like bacon or sausage. That's when the real heart risk starts. Researchers have found that people who eat more than 7 eggs a week, especially fried or with processed meats, may have a higher risk of heart disease. But those who eat boiled or poached eggs, paired with veggies and healthy fats like avocado or olive oil, actually show better heart markers. So it's not the egg itself that's the villain. It's how you cook it and what you eat it with that determines whether it heals or harms your heart. How to eat eggs safely. Here's the heart-smart way to enjoy eggs. Limit to 4 to 6 eggs per week if you have high cholesterol. Boil, poach, or scramble lightly in olive or avocado oil. Avoid deep frying. Pair with fiber. Spinach, oats, or whole grain toast help your body manage cholesterol better. Avoid pairing with processed meats. Bacon, sausages, or ham can turn a healthy meal into a heart hazard. And one more bonus tip. Add a handful of parsley or a squeeze of lemon. They both help your liver flush out excess fat and cholesterol. The big lesson. Eggs aren't the villain. Confusion is. When we understand how our body works, we can make food choices that heal, not harm. For someone like Linda, the fix was simple. She switched to boiled eggs, added greens and olive oil, and within 2 months, her cholesterol levels dropped back to normal without giving up eggs completely. If you found this eye-opening, hit that like button. It tells YouTube this content is worth sharing. And if you want more science-backed health truths, subscribe and turn on notifications. Because next week, I'll be revealing the one breakfast food that silently clogs your arteries. And trust me, you eat it almost every day.